In this video, I'm going to share the concept of shock value comedy along with 3 techniques used to create the effect. I'm going to do it in under 3 minutes, so let's get it started. Imagine a roller coaster for your emotions. That is what the style is all about. Shock value comedy takes you on a ride, flipping your expectations and catching you off guard. Like that surprise twist in the movie that makes you spill your popcorn, fall off your seat and shit your pants. Taboo topics. Comedians often dive into subjects that are considered sensitive, controversial, or socially unacceptable to talk about. By discussing these taboo topics in a comedy context, they catch the audience off guard and challenge societal norms. The humor arises from the unexpectedness of the material and the tension between what's deemed appropriate and the comedian's take on the subject. A comedian might use dark humor to tackle politics, illness, and even death, making the audience laugh at what they might not even want to discuss. Technique number 2 is exaggeration. Exaggeration involves everyday situations, behaviors, or ideas and amplifying them to the extreme level. This technique creates shock by taking something normal and pushing it into the arena of absurdity. The humor comes from the contrast of the exaggerated scenario and the audience's familiarity with the concept. For example, a comedian could exaggerate the annoyance they have on modern technology, exaggerate it to a point of absurdity. The more crazy the exaggeration is, the funnier it is to an audience. Twisted logic. Comedians employ twisted logic to prevent absurd or contradictory ideas that defy conventional wisdom. This technique creates shock by challenging the audience's expectations on how things logically connect. The humor emerges as the audience try their best to follow along with the comedian's unconventional line of thinking. For example, a comedian might propose an illogical and bizarre explanation for a common situation, leading the audience through a series of unexpected and humorous conclusions. Pull out the most bizarre connections and transitions in your material and invite your audience into your own crazy universe. That's shock value as I see it in under 3 minutes. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope even more you got value from it, and I hope you are excited to add shock value into your own comedy performance. I'll see you on the next video.